Hi, welcome to my video. Does a point lie on a line? Given a point and the equation of the line. Let's illustrate. Use some examples. If a point xy lies on a line, then the coordinates of the point will make the equation true. That is, the left side equals the right side. Examples. Does a point lie on a line? So we're going to sub the coordinates of x and y into the equation. Y is 5, x is 1. We're going to sub them in. So 5 equals 2 times 1 is 2 plus 3. So that means that 5 equals 5. So that's true. The answer is yes, it lies on the line. In other words, if you drew this line on a grid, then that line would pass through the point 1, 5. So it's much easier to sub the coordinates into the equation to find if it lies on the line or if it's true. X is -2, y is 4. Sub that into the equation. 4 equals -3. X is -2, subtract 1. 4, negative, BEDMAS, we always do inside the brackets first, so -2 subtract 1 is -3, and 4 equals 9, and it's no. 4 doesn't equal 9, so that point does not lie on that line. C, x is -1, y is -2, so 2 times x is -1, y is -2 equals 4. So we have to do the multiplications first. So we could go plus a negative. 2 times -1 is -2. -3 times, or 3 times -2 is whatever. You could go plus a negative or just -3. That's a plus 6 equals 4. We do both multiplications first by BEDMAS, brackets, exponents, etc. Multiplication, division, left to right. Notice there's no brackets to work out. Notice there's no exponents, so we have to multiply these two, and then add. So that's 4 equals 4. Left side is 4, right side is 4, so the answer is yes. The equation is true, so that point does lie on that line. Practice. Practice means pause the video, work these out to say yes or no. When you get them done, play it back to see if you're right. Does the point lie on the line? X is, y is, so y is 2. X is -3. So x is -3, we can put that in. Y is 2, we put that in. So we finish off the left side. We get a 6. And on the right side, we do inside the brackets first by PEMDAS, PEMDAS, or BEDMAS. We do inside the brackets, -3 plus 6. We have 3, and 2 times 3 is 6, so that's true. Yes, that point lies on the line. Number 2, x is a half, y is -5. So y is -5, x is 1/2. So the left side is done. We multiply before we subtract, so a half of -8. So that gives us a -4 minus 1. -5 equals -5, and the answer is yes. The equation is true, so that point does lie on that line. And this is an x comma y, so y is -2, x is -1, the left side is done. We simplify the inside first, again by PEMDAS or BEDMAS, just to review, PEMDAS, DAS, that means we do the inside of the brackets or parentheses. We could call it BEDMAS if we want, either or, whatever way you learn it. We have to do the inside the parentheses first, so negative 1 subtract 2 is negative 3, and that's a negative 2. This becomes 3 into negative 3 gives me negative 1, so that gives us negative 2 times negative 1 is 2, and negative 2 is not equal to 2, so no, that point does not lie on that line. Again, if you graph this line, or if you graph this one, that tells you if it passes through. Yes, this point will lie on the line when you graph it, and this point will not lie on this line when you graph it. So that gets us ready to do the next video, checking to see if a point lie on the line. We need to know how to do that. So if you like the video, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber, and the notification bell because there's more videos coming your way. You can write a comment on my video if you wish, and visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com. There you'll find information on me, about my degrees and teaching experience. The section on video talks about the strategies you're going to use to help you learn your math. And the section on content talks about the topics that I have on my YouTube channel, plus the number of videos on each of those topics. And the black font is what's online right now, and the red font is what will be there in the near future. Thank you for viewing my video. Bye-bye.